Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DRYS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today was a very nice move. I can't imagine anybody sitting around saying, no, today wasn't a good move. Everybody would agree, good move on the bull's part. But that does lead to the question, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but by using charts, like I said, we can make answering that question very straightforward. Now, I've done this one before in the past, so that's where these red and green lines are coming from here. But I'm just going to go ahead and use these for today's annotation just because, yeah, they still pertain, but they're not really relevant anymore. And I don't want to have a million lines everywhere. So like I said, we'll just use these for the newest annotations. And like I said, to me, everything revolves around a single level in regards to answering the question. And that level is right here at, $4.20. Why is $4.20 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine strength, with true power, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, a price movement, if it's truly strong, is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about $4.20. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what is that doing to the price? That's putting the price right back to within this range where it's already been. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, bounces around, and then heads back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this previous set of lows down here. If you picture each of these as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction, and that's the name of the game. You want to see progress being made as time unfolds. So $4.20, definitely that must-hold level of support. Ideally, if the price can hold up above this area at $4.40, that would make the chart look the strongest. But if the price can't stay above 440, by no means am I saying everything's ruined or anything like that, because again, the price would still have an opportunity to make progress by staying up above $4.20. As far as levels of resistance, key one right now is essentially where the price struggled today, right around there at $4.80. But in my opinion, breaking levels of resistance is not really a top priority at this point. Big priority is just going through a healthy consolidation and building a higher base. So price definitely off to a good start to the week. We'll see how the rest of this week all unfolds. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point. And like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.